You see? Amazing, isn't it? This is the Air Selfie, the only portable flying camera integrated into your mobile phone cover. Micro and ultra light, it comes with its very own device for storage and charging, with an easy one-hand control from its own app. Where did the idea come from? Well, I'll show you. Look at this, what an epic day out. A bona fide selfie time, as they say. Just need to squeeze a teeny bit. No, never mind. A more manageable group. Just two guys, actually, that want to take a selfie to remember this wonderful place. Well, I guess they can just describe the view to their friends back home, right? Okay, one more try. This time a good old barbecue outside on a sunny day with lots of friends. Let's try the selfie stick strategy. Still can't fit everybody in. Annoying situations, am I right? We've all been there, buddy. That's how Air Selfie was born. A perfect team gathered together, working in London, Milan, and Shanghai to combine microflying technologies, ultralight HD cameras with in-flight stability systems. Air Selfie can travel in a 20-meter radius and hovers for up to 3 minutes. It's easily controllable from both iOS or Android smartphone apps. It's only 52 grams and it slots into its phone cover and recharges. So what if the guys had an Air Selfie with them? They'd make it hover, find the perfect angle, and leave the controls. Finally, snap an amazing photo with the selfie delay timer mode while it is autonomously flying and keeping its position in the air. Awesome! What about the two explorers? They'd select the classic flying mode from the 3 options available. Control Air Selfie through the app by holding the phone horizontally and take both memorable photos and videos. And what would have happened at the barbecue? Enough with the squeezing. Just select the selfie mode. Use only 2 buttons to find the right distance to shoot and take a great picture. What about an indoor location? Whatever it may be, a party at somebody's house or a night out in a club, there are no issues. Air Selfie flies easily. It's simple to control and very safe. And once you shoot a great picture, don't keep it to yourself. It's so easy to share it right from your phone. As easy as grabbing the Air Selfie safely while it's still hovering in the air. So this is Air Selfie, the only portable flying camera integrated into your mobile phone cover. Ready to explore new perspectives? Let's take a look at its technical features. Power bank inside its own custom phone cover. A battery that charges itself in only 30 minutes. 5-megapixel HD video camera to shoot social media optimized images. Sophisticated sensors and its own Wi-Fi control unit. In-flight stability systems to hover autonomously. The smallest and most powerful brushless motors. It's safe to grab while it's still hovering. And of course, its own 4GB micro SD memory. Ultra light with a solid Italian designed case. Compact and easy to carry with you anywhere you go. Ready for the revolution? Air Selfie is on Kickstarter. Help us to get it into production. Become an Air Selfie ambassador by pre-ordering now.
out from the ordinary with the Winovations electric wine opener gun. This sleek, fun design will complement any home bar and delight all of your guests. Simply pull the trigger to remove the cork from the bottle. The wine opener will automatically stop once the cork is fully removed. Then push the trigger forward to extract the cork from the barrel of the gun. Be a boss at your next gathering when you whip out the wine gun to open that vintage cab. The Winovations powered wine opener comes with a rechargeable holster. Be trigger happy as it will uncork over 30 bottles on a single charge. Each product comes with a wall charger, adapter, and foil cutter to remove labels quickly and easily. The wine gun comes in 2 different styles, simulated steel and firearm pink. Embrace the fun with Winovations electric wine opener. Go ahead and pop one off today.